Okay, so I'm doing this video because I looked online and I couldn't find anything about an Xtreme power sports it's a solar heater for above ground pool. These are the directions that came with it. Very hard to understand. So you need the diverter because it's a 3/4 horse Hayward. I couldn't find anywhere online how far you could do the travel all the way up to the roof, 65 feet, and then 12 feet up. So it does have enough pressure. So as you can see, you need a diverter. This is the water that goes to get heated at the solar panel. And then you can see down here, that's the water that comes out of, this is supposedly the warm water, and it needs this tea to mix. The diverter is right here, diverting some water that way and some water this way to relieve some of the pressure of anything more than a half horsepower pump. They recommend that, so you're not putting all the pressure through the heat, and it helps with, backwashing and vacuuming your pool. So that's my setup. It's pretty tricky to figure out. And then I did it 65 feet, ran it up the house. You have your check valve right there on the way up, and this comes as a separate kit from the power sports. And I will sorry about the camera. So the hot water is on the bottom, or the water to get heated is on the bottom, and then the warm water coming out is on the top, comes back down. Supposedly it travels along these panels, back up and down. What I couldn't find is, do I connect, because I have a 2-panel system. It looks like 4, but there's actually 2. They connect together in the middle. I wasn't sure if you connect it or not. After talking to the guy at the pool store, he says you're supposed to connect them. So I used rubber boots here, reducers there, just so I can unhook it in the winter time and blow the lines out and wrap this up and bring it inside.